I've got a big package. Or a big box. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So over here, I've got a very neatly packed fairing. Strip down here. Yamaha. And on the back, I've got a sprocket. And I've already got a chain in my bedroom. And here we have the fairing. Bit of a scratch at the bottom, overall good condition. There's a white stripe at the top, which I don't think that's factory, but it's got a bit of a sparkle to it. Yeah, you see that bit of sparkle. Then over here we have the rear sprocket. And then, like magic, we have a motorcycle chain. This arrived first because it's off eBay. That chain will go around that sprocket. There's another one that's gone to my other address. The front sprocket, and I'll get those all replaced at the same time. And my bike actually needs the cam chain replaced. So I'll try to get them all done at the same time sometime soon. I won't be fitting this because I've actually bought an eBay fairing. So I've just brought up the original fairing from the garage, so this is how it should look like. This is actually, these are stickers by how they feel. They've got a really metallic look to them. And this one up here is just an additional reflective stripe that someone in Japan added. There's some swirl marks, if you can see, which I tried to remove. It's very clean and reflective. There's a big scratch along the side. Alright, so now it's out of the box, and we can do a proper comparison between the factory one and the aftermarket eBay one. So, Yamaha, it's a sticker, but it seems a bit darker. It's got a little bit of metallic flake in it, but not much. There's an X-up sticker, matches, feels good. It's almost no swirl marks because it's brand new, straight out of China. And these aren't stickers, are they? Feels like these are painted on, whereas the originals have stickers. There's a bit of a texture at the top, and as I suspected, they are missing those little rubber bones around those little screw points, and also at the top, missing those. As for the flexibility, that's really flexible and wobbly. This, nice and rigid. However, it does feel like I'm about to snap this just doing this. Just that sort of hard plastic. This one, yep, really flexible. Also feels like I'm going to snap it. That's good. That's not actually cracked, it was just here. Nice big cutout here for the stator or whatever part of the engine goes there. Here, scoop, here, scoop. Little screw hole here, which matches up with this screw. I suspect there's a nut on the back. That's good. I'll just line them up next to each other and turn on another light for you. So this is a very good comparison between factory fairings and eBay fairings. So you can see that the eBay finish is a much finer metallic, less sparkle, and is also slightly darker. Oh. There's an additional stripe down here, which my one doesn't have. Could possibly fix it with a sticker, but this one does have the additional strip at the top. So in case you were wondering, this took about a month from me ordering these to actually getting them. Well, at least the eBay fairing. So I think the first 3 weeks I spent making the fairing, I was a little skeptical because I figured that they'd just make it out of plastic, which usually is white, but this one appears to be black. There's a bit of a little bit of underspray, I should say. I suspect it used to be white or grey, as it appears yellowish, as it appears here, and around there a bit grey. But they did a good job. They painted on the inside with what looks like overspray. So anyway, I suspect it took 3 weeks to make the fairing, and that includes painting it. And then after that, it was about 10 days before it actually arrived in the mail. The finish is pretty close to the factory original. However, it's a bit darker and a bit less spectacular. So last time you saw the bike, it was naked, and I showed you that I got some fairings for the bike. So now I have a proper sports bike finally. This is my first fully faired bike. This one I didn't have the bolt through, so there's one cable tie at the top. Now it looks like a factory bike, and I'm about to take it out around the block. Just gone for a ride, and I've immediately noticed 3 or 4 little drawbacks from having fairings on the bike. So number one is that the fairings actually block the oil gauge down the bottom. As you can see, it's down past the oil cover, the engine cover there, and there's no viewing hole to look through like there was in my Honda VT250. With that, it's also a bit harder to fill the oil cap, fill the engine with oil. I've been using the Flexi 2 before, but now I'll really have to squeeze one into this little gap here. That's 2 of the drawbacks. And another one is that if you're like me and you like to walk the bike, then the fairings do get in the way of your legs. As I'll demonstrate now, I'll just put it down and down the slope. So with the naked bike here, all this legroom here with this bike now, your knees are touching the fairings.